This is a task management board. You most likely used it, or at least saw one being used. It has columns such as to do, doing and done, and task cards that move around your pipeline phases. Your tasks might be divided into categories, since task boards are now used in invoicing, sales, customer relations, support, software development, and much more. But this is where things get tricky. Each type of task needs different fields, options, and structure. Even if it's just a simple separation to epics, user stories and issues, or leads, prospects, and customers. And the resulting learning curve rivals only that of implementation cost. Consistency is lost. Interoperability is compromised. Teams become siloed, their data incompatible, and you are left in the dark. Especially when different people use multiple solutions for different needs, resulting in license sprawl and inconsistent records resulting from manually replicating data. Aligning goals with tasks becomes a struggle, and fitting together different frameworks results in jagged workflows. A CAT solution to these problems and others is brilliant and simple. Each item in ACATS has an identical user interface, user experience, and data structure. We call these blocks. Like building blocks. For instance, this task card is a block. It has a status, variable tags, due dates and rich text details, real-time discussions, stakeholders, attachments, and linked tasks. Blocks also have categories that can define the task type, such as a phone call or a software feature, affiliation to a specific department or customer. They can denote priorities, or whatever you like your overarching categories to be. And these categories are blocks too, stored in their own categories board, and identical in every way to the tasks they define. Same interface and a matching data structure. Meaning you can inspect and supervise entire categories of tasks from a central location and organize them in a separate, overarching workflow. Each block also has stakeholders, including employees and customers assigned to it. And these stakeholders are blocks too, identical in every way to all other blocks, and managed in their own stakeholders board, which can mirror your sales and HR pipelines, company structure, or roles. And yes, even entire boards are blocks, which you can monitor and manage in the board of boards, allowing you to implement a portfolio-level framework independent from underlying workflows. This is how with ACATS, agility becomes an emergent property of just letting people work, naturally converging workflows into goals and integrating seemingly incompatible frameworks, with drill down and drill up visibility, immutable project history, an ability to involve customers across delivery phases and granularity, traceability traversing lateral links and vertical dependencies, a single data structure merging distinct components into one, a consistent user interface across asset types for low adoption resistance and fast onboarding, all of which together cultivate naturally emerging agility that scales with widening adoption and business growth. Welcome to 8 Cats, where agile isn't a noun.